It wouldn't be you if we didn't disagree, and we're going to talk small caps. So you've brought all these, you have like 4 paragraphs of like why small caps are finally happening, and they have had a little bit of a nice run, but to me this seems like another false positive, another head fake, and I'll tell you why. Small caps used to be where you got new IPOs that were like the future stars. But now those private companies wait till they're really big, then they enter in as a large cap. It's sort of like skipping college going right to the NBA. And so small caps is really just the ones that could never make it, or the ones that got rejected from the large. So why would I buy that?
So first of all, let's stick the sports metaphor for a second. You really can't do that. You actually have to go and spend a year in college for the most part. But let's not delve into those weeds. Let's talk about small caps. What we at VettaFi have seen is we saw nearly a 50% spike in the traffic to our small cap ETF list that we have at ETF Database. That's in August relative to July. So investors are doing research about small cap ETFs. What's interesting, because you showed on the chart earlier that IWM has been in net outflows. It's actually among the top 10 most outflowed ETFs this year. We are seeing ETFs and interest in ETFs that are in other more fundamental or factor-weighted approaches. So we've been talking about SFLO, which is a Victory Shares small cap free cash flow ETF, higher quality companies with a growth tilt to it. That ETF has seen stronger demand than IWM, and it's also outperformed. So that's a double benefit.
All right, well, listen, I'm going to just say this right now. I am in the market for a steak dinner bet.
Oh, gosh.
I will bet you that large caps beat small caps this calendar year. You don't have to answer now, but just think about it.
So we have to start it from this point. We'd have to start from today because large caps have a significant outperformance. So yes, starting, I guess, starting with the trading tomorrow.
Okay.
Let's pick the iShares S&P product. So the S&P small cap 600 versus the iShares S&P 500. And Katie promises to write about the winner, I think, on air.
I do have a newsletter. I do have a platform.
Okay. And Katie and I are coming along for the ride.
Yeah,
certainly.
Yeah, Eric will happily pay for you.
Who do you like in this?
Who do we like?
Yeah.
We're just journalists. We don't have an opinion.
Impartial.
I do like steak, though.